Hey guys, I am making a very special flatbread. It's layered paratha. So lots of flakiness in this paratha, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make at home. Starting with 200 grams of plain flour. Now you can mix plain and whole grain, but the texture is perfect with plain flour. To this, I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of fine semolina, total of 2 tablespoons of butter. So this is looking lovely and this is staying, so that's a good sign. Now I've got 100 ml of water. Like always, you might not need all of it, or you might need a bit more. So yeah, best to do it by eye. I used exactly 100 ml of water. You want a nice soft dough, but not too soft, not too hard. It's kind of like soft bread dough. So that's a total of a couple of minutes of kneading. Not much is needed right now. And just to make it nice and smooth and soft, I will let it rest. The key is to let it rest for half an hour. Just cover and leave it to rest half an hour. I made the dough, and actually I got busy with making a curry. So it's been sitting for an hour. But like I said, you can just start using it after half an hour or so. It is so soft. It's such a lovely dough. Look at that. So nice. Right. So I think I'm going to make 4 parathas out of it. So that's it. So I'm going to take one at a time and roll them out. So, and here I have got some homemade ghee. The recipe is on the channel. I will leave the link in the description box. So that's homemade ghee. You can use oil if you like, but ghee is going to give it an amazing flavor. Right. Now, first thing, I'm going to just cover it in some dry flour. You don't have to roll in a circle. You can just roll it out in any shape you like, because that's not our final end product. So basically we want a thin sheet of dough. Just going to put some melted ghee all over. Now this is a proper feast bread, so you really can't be shy on the amount of oil, butter or ghee, whatever you choose to use, because this is not something you're going to make every day. It's a special occasion bread. Right, once we've got ghee all over, I'm going to slit it into thin strips. And with a big knife, I'm just going to start collecting these. Now, another key step is to brush it with more ghee or oil or butter, so that when I roll it, the layers are still stay separate. Okay. And then very carefully, I'm going to start with one side. Just very carefully fold it. Can you see that? And then I'm going to repeat the same with the 4 other portions. So this is the flatbread where you really can't use a rolling pin, otherwise all the layers will disappear. So I'm just going to press it by hand and shape it up. Hot pan, and it goes on top. It's almost ready, all cooked up. Because it's got thick layers of dough inside, you want to cook it on medium to low heat so that it's cooked right the way through. Oops. And just finish it with some ghee on each side and cook for a few more minutes. And there is the paratha ready. And you can see all the lovely layers of this. Oh, look at that. And that, my friends, is a Lachha paratha, or a flaky layered paratha. It is just most gorgeous, beautiful, crispy, delicious thing. You can enjoy this with absolutely anything and everything, with all the curries that I've shared here on the channel. This is a perfect match. Obviously it is quite a treat because it's packed with ghee or butter or oil, whatever you use today. So yes, this is not something I make very often, but when I do, it is a treat for the family. I'm lucky because I've got some curry in the house today. I've just made this as well. You can find the recipe for this on the channel. This is a special egg curry. That paratha is another level of deliciousness. I like naan, I like roti, but that is incredible. And more of that ghee, it just reminds me of my mom's kitchen. But obviously you can, like I've said throughout the recipe, you can use butter or oil, but ghee is just most magical with a paratha. I really do hope that you're going to give this gorgeous looking, amazing paratha a go. It is absolutely incredible, and I really do hope you're going to enjoy it. And also let me know, what would you like to eat this with? Leave me a comment and let me know. Subscribe, and see you tomorrow for another new recipe. Bye for now.